Ben, I got green. And I got yellow. Yeah. Now yours. Yours. Oh, no, Ben, our shirts are dirty. My shirt is dirty too. We've got to fix this, Ben. Yeah, let's go. Let's go get some more clothes to wash. Yeah, good idea. I have an idea. What is it? What is it? Wait 1 second. I have to go get the thing. I can't tell you what it is because, you know. For me? No, that is for me. Yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, pink, red, green, blue. Red, green, purple, pink, orange, green, blue, pink, yellow. Huh? Why is he so colorful? Seriously? Who did this? I don't like this. Give it to me. Give it to me. Ben, come here for a second.